easy too. Hey there, I'm Cast Iron Katie. Doesn't that make a nice sound? Stove. Just a moment. So good. Hi there, I'm Cast Iron Katie. And currently I am making the vegetarian fajita quiche, but I have some extra stuff, so I'm going to make a little mini episode and throw it all together in a quesadilla. Let's get started. Oh, I forgot to mention I'm doing a waffle quesadilla. Just because I have a waffle maker and I want to. I preheated both sides for 3 minutes. This is my 1925 Wagner Ware waffle iron. Put down a little, there we go, 1 tortilla. Okay, I'm going to add my vegetables to that. Put a little cheese on it. Another tortilla. Right. Let's see how dangerous this gets. Okay, here's the dangerous part of this. Ow! Okay. Woo. Oops. Apparently that's hot. Smashing it. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Oh my gosh, these are silly. Look at these. I do like the inspiration though. Waffle quesadillas. Oh, if you wanted to see how I made the vegetables, just click either, I'll put it on, click the video description, or go and watch my vegetarian fajita quiche. So, my veggie quesadilla made from my leftovers from the veggie quiche. Spread a little avocado on the top. It's very good. Very easy too. This is Cast Iron Katie. Thanks so much for watching. There we go. 1 tortilla. Hey man, what you got? I got mayo.
What'd you get?
I don't know.
Walmart.
Was I drunk shopping? I don't know.
Oh, you drunk shop?
I don't think so. No more than you toilet shop. This is stupid.